it it feels off also that I have a camera in everybody's face, and like I don't want to do it. I wish my eyes could just capture everything and I didn't have to like.
You can start wearing Ray-Ban Meta.
Yeah, well.
Tell the children the truth. Do you know why are you eating almonds?
What? What the hell? I'm a little disturbed. Let's go. We're going to Basundhara Park. Ayo. Are you okay? Oh, strong. No problem.
लगता है थोड़ा बहुत खेलते खेलते.
Wow, what do we have here? Just what we needed. मैं जब अभी ये सब ऐसी जगह पे से suppose I'm vlogging and I have the camera, it feels off also that I have a camera in everybody's face, and like I don't want to do it. I wish my eyes could just capture everything and I didn't have to like.
You can start wearing Ray-Ban Meta.
Yeah, well.
मैं गरीब हूँ.
इक्विपमेंट पे तो भाई इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट है कि पूछो मत.
No, but I want us to get there.
I'm taking care of my mind and my soul.
The nature will take care of your mind.
Seriously. For real though. That too in the middle of the park. Crazy spot, yeah? I'd like some pictures here too, if you don't mind. In the evening?
This is only the time. What evening? What will you see in the evening? You can come here also. Actually.
Yeah.
This corner.
Yeah.
Set up something. या तो अंदर.
What is written here, baby?
Basundhara Vatika Murako Kundo.
I think the name of the tree probably.
ये तो वाटिका है. Wholesome.
the next day.
Hi guys, good morning. We are having breakfast. मैं पूरी सब्जी खा रहा हूँ. Bebo is having her omelette. Charlotte and I are kind of at that phase where in our lives where we have all the energy in the world. Just the mindset is something that we need to work on, and we can do not just two, we could probably do 5 things together. तो कल रात को मैंने बेबू को एक प्रॉमिस किया है कि मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि मेरे को वो कॉन्फिडेंस का इशू है एंड ये है एंड वो है. तो हाउ विल आई ओवरकम इट? इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन. आई फील इफ आई कीप टू माई सेल्फ, दैट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू चेंज माई कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ बीइंग ऑन व्लॉग्स. मुझे लोगों के साथ रास्ते में बात करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इट्स माई जनरल नेचर. अगर लोगों को इफ़ यू ऑल नो मी, यू माइट नो दिस ऑल्सो अबाउट मी. कल रात को एक ही चीज़ सोचा है मैंने, मेरा ही कैमरा है, रिकॉर्ड तो करता हूँ, नहीं पसंद आएगा तो नहीं डालूँगा, तो पहले रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ. तो आई मेड वन प्रॉमिस टू बेबो. बेबो का बर्थडे है 28 जून एंड अंटिल देन आप मुझे रोज़ देखोगे व्लॉग्स में. एंड आई विल प्रॉब्ली स्टार्ट द व्लॉग्स. आई probably take up a segment and then gradually move on to longer being on the screen for a longer time. But try करूँगा एक segment रोज़ कवर करने का, ताकि बेबो के लिए भी थोड़ा लोड कम हो जाए. because she also works and she has a job and it's not very easy also कि आप जॉब के साथ ये कर पाओ एंड उन जॉब के आवर्स में आप भी कंटेंट रिकॉर्ड करके या तो कुछ कर पाओ. मेरे दिमाग में कॉन्फिडेंस के अलावा हमेशा ये भी रहता था कि मैं क्या दिखाऊं मेरे ब्लॉग्स में, क्योंकि मैं तो निकल के बड़ा बाजार जाता हूँ. एंड फॉर पीपल who are not from India, if you ever come across this, I don't. In Bada Bazaar is the business hub of Calcutta. It's the business area of Calcutta, business belt of Calcutta, and it is not that developed high tech city वाला vibe. वो नहीं जगह नहीं देगा. It is the Calcutta का ये market is one of the oldest business markets in the eastern part of the country, and we are that big a hub in that portion of Bada Bazaar. So it's not very pleasing to the eyes to see, because there are shops and there is work and there is dirt and there is people doing raw मेहनत to earn money over there. तो आपको वो मॉल एस्थेटिक्स एंड ये बैकग्राउंड एस्थेटिक्स, ये कलरफुल एस्थेटिक्स नहीं दिखते हैं. इट्स मोर ऑफ अ ब्लैक एंड वाइट मोनोक्रोम लाइफ ओवर देयर. तो मेरे को लगता था कि थोड़ा अनइंटरेस्टिंग हो सकता है या डिसइंटरेस्टेड हो सकते हैं लोग. लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई. करते हैं ना? करते तो हैं. Chinapuran Singh's son Ari, he also has this very quirky vlog channel. The guy, I feel a little similar थोड़ा सा to him, because he was also a sports person. I was also a sports person. Now he's into music and vlogging. I have also gotten into music very recently. Now I'm getting into vlogging. उसके भी व्लॉग्स हम लोग देखना चालू किया बहुत रिसेंटली. आई थिंक इट इज़ बिन व्हाट 2 or 3 weeks. या 2-3 weeks मैक्सिमम, 1 महीना हुआ होगा देख रहे हैं. एंड बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, इवन दो उनका लेवल हमारे से काफ़ी अप है. एंड प्रॉब्ली दे आर वन ऑफ द वेल्दीएस्ट फैमिलीज फ्रॉम इंडिया दैट आर व्लॉगिंग. Ari is again a multi-talented guy, very confident personality who I really have become fond of over time. Boss, you have great energy. If you ever come across this, a big thumbs up to you. Again, please subscribe to our channel, like, share it, comment as well. Really open to feedbacks. We want to learn, we want to become better, but we want to definitely vlog our life. क्या सुनने में आएगा आपको और क्या आप देखोगे ये तो मुझे नहीं पता है, बट थोड़ा प्यार दिखाओ. हमसे भी थोड़ा प्यार लो.
ये आप देखोगे.
हाँ, बट ये आप देखो.
एंड इस बार अगर नहीं दिखा तो मैं बेबो का नंबर दे दूंगी, व्हाट्सएप वाला नंबर. उधर पे भर के
स्पैम कर दो.
हाँ,
ये वो तो ठीक है, but I pray to God, fingers crossed, and I feel positive about it every day, at least until the 28th of June. And the motto of this is not to vlog, the motto is very self oriented, कि मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए कि मैं vlog कर रहा हूँ और कहीं भी बेशर्म की तरह vlog कर सकता हूँ. Let's go. Cheers.
Cheers to that.
Have a great day, guys. This is just morning, so the morning, afternoon, evening में अगर कुछ होता तो बताता हो. टाटा बाय बाय. Tell the children the truth. Do you know why are you eating alone?
What? What the hell? I'm a little disturbed. What's up, guys? It is the next day. I have lost count of what day it is in Pokhara, Nepal, but it is the next day. Yesterday, after we came back from the park, we didn't vlog much क्योंकि हम लोग mostly chill कर रहे थे. In the evening, we went downstairs to our cafe. I mean the hostel cafe, and we got burgers for dinner. जो हमने vlog नहीं किया क्योंकि हमने take away किया था. And burger and takeaway is a messy situation, if I can say so. तो मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसे थी मेरे बर्गर के साथ, इसलिए मुझे व्लॉग करने का मौका नहीं मिला. But yeah, it is a new day and we are still here. We are still. I love the fact that we have zero itinerary and we're just chilling.
Purpose achieved.
Yes,
That
the
was the
purpose
purpose.
of the trip has been achieved. अभी हम लोग जिस कैफ़े में हैं, यहाँ पर हमने लास्ट टाइम भी व्लॉग बनाया था. We were sitting at this very table and talking about last time's trekking disaster that happened with us here. We actually plan on walking ahead थोड़ा सा, तो just done a takeaway for a watermelon juice and what are you having, maybe? Chocolate shake. Yeah. To get the laundry. Are you coming with us? Okay then. Oh, come. Let's see how far they come.
No, they won't come.
Won't come beyond this.
Cold.
What happened? Come.
Day 3.
Just want you guys to take a look at this. There are two mountains here. One is completely green, which is this one, and the other one is fully covered in snow. Isn't that a crazy contrast, guys? What's up, guys? We've just come down to get some coffee from the hostel cafeteria. I'm waiting for the order and Babe is talking to his friends. There he is. Yay! Got our coffee. Oh yes. I did watch the match
Scousers.
yesterday with Babe.
Scousers. Scousers. Cowards.
Cheers to
Losers. Cheers.
that. This is what our morning/afternoon is looking like.
Later that same evening.
We've tried a food delivery app here. It's called Food Mandu. And that's our order. Second order. Lol. Food Mandu for the win. Here to pick up the laundry. Yeah.
Didn't see my bag.
Check in that plastic, maybe. Is that ours? No.
No.
This is ours, no? Yeah. With the towel.
Yeah, I think this one is.
Yeah, that's ours
That
only.
bag is
That's our
ours?
bag only. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Let's go. We did some snack shopping too. Lol. Oh my god. You guys have literally climbed 2 floors to come here? Hmm?